Hi everybody. Is this on? Hello. So I've been waiting for a while for the package that just came. It is the proof of 6-string. Amy and myself worked a lot on this. I formatted the inside. It was very hard to do. And Amy did the cover. We still have a couple of changes to do, but we want to see how it came out. And I thought I'll just take a little unboxing video. This is awesome. Oh my god, this looks good. And I might lighten this up a little bit in front. I like the back. This looks really good. I like the format is really great. It's a good size. Now this has watermark on the first page of a guitar, which was very hard to do just on a couple of pages. This also came out really well, which is kind of the each header has handwritten notes because Jennifer, the main character, is writing her journal on her journey, and that was kind of the idea. And then here we have the songs that she wrote on her trip, also with the watermark, which looks really cool. I really like it. Here's another chapter header. I think that came out really nice. And then a couple more songs. I think there are 10 songs in there. Yeah, no, I think it looks great. I think the front needs to be brightened up a little bit, but the format is nice and it's a nice thickness. Yeah, I really like it. Yay! Awesome! 6-string is available on Amazon right now for 99 cents. Bye!